This is a training video about using ZTE Hanger Generator. What can you do with ZTE Hanger Generator? Create hangers on linear MEP elements such as pipe, duct, cable tray, and electrical conduit. These hangers have the possibility of updating automatically when you move or modify the host. You can personalize things such as the hanger model, layout rules, measures, position offset, tiers, support bars, internal parts, if you want to consider insulation, adaptation to element width, and more. Currently, the application supports 4 hanger models: rectangular rail, circular clamp, rectangular strap, and clevis hanger. We are continually developing new models. To create a group of hangers, you have to select at least one element from the linear MEP elements categories to create hangers. You can select whole runs. The application will only use the linear MEP elements. Select the elements and press the command in the add-ins bar, Hanger Generator. Set the layout values, which are common for all hanger models. You can set distance to edges, the layout rule, the distance between hangers depending on the layout rule, supporting elements, and more. The hanger will find the closest structural element according to your settings. Then set the specific values for each model. You can set, for example, plate width, thickness, tiers or levels to consider insulation or not, and much more. This depends on the model of the hanger that you are using. Finally, press Create. If you make a mistake with the data input, or if the hangers cannot be created because of proximity, it will be noted in the information bar at the bottom and you will hear a negative beep. Recommendations. You can create elements on different floors at the same time. The application has an automatic update functionality, so when you move or modify a host element, the hangers will be regenerated based on the settings with which you created them. You can turn this functionality on or off in the Data Management Auto Update option. On the main bar on top of the interface, there are several functionalities for improving your work experience and to save you time, such as remembering the last input values, turn on or off the auto update, delete data or hangers of host elements, release hangers. This means that they will not be updated with their original host, or identify elements that have saved hanger data in a 3D view. The elements with data will be marked as solid and red. You will have larger generation time as the amount of hangers created increase. So for a better user experience, we recommend creating the elements by limited groups, for example around 20 MEP elements. For more information, suggestions, or to download our other applications, please visit our site in the Autodesk App Store or our website.